Good morning, seventh graders. Today we are in week 3. Congratulations, you made it through 2 weeks of teaching yourself, kind of by yourself. It was awesome to see you guys last week. So this week we are going to continue our summary projects with how to be an aquarium engineer. So we've talked about different invertebrate and vertebrate species over our year, including cuttlefish, flatworms, centipedes, mammals. And in this project, you're going to choose one species out of the 3 that are listed below: betta fish, goldfish, and zebra turbo snail. Once you have chosen your species, you're going to design an aquarium for your critter to live in. Okay, so there's links right here for you to gather information for your betta fish, goldfish, or turbo snail. You're just picking one of those critters to create a home for. There are several tasks this week that you're going to do one at a time. I highly recommend you do at least one task per day so you make your way through the project in a reasonable amount of time and you get it in by the due date and you're not up late on Thursday. So, step 1, you're going to complete a pretest in Google Classroom. This will be posted. It will be called Task 1. There are some pretest questions. You'll submit those questions, and then task 1 is done. After that, you'll do task 2, where you watch a video and answer questions that are attached to that document. Here's what that document looks like. So you're going to watch a video on someone who did a goldfish aquarium. You'll answer the questions after watching that video. Next, you're going to do a little bit of research for your species. So you need to choose one of the species above: betta fish, goldfish, or zebra turbo snail. And you'll use those links to fill out a species classification table. And then you'll write characteristics of your phylum. You can use this from the notes packet. So if you did a turbo snail, he's in phylum Mollusca, so you look at your mollusk notes. If you look at goldfish or betta fish, you can look at the fish notes that are on my website. We have not gone over those fish notes together, but you can easily read through those notes. And on the first or second slide, there's always characteristics of that phylum, so you can find those there. You'll fill that into your table. And then the third part of the table is the needs for survival. And again, those are going to come from these same links. So I'll show you what that table looks like. Species classification comes from the links. Phylum and characteristics come from the notes on my website. And then the survival needs come from the links that are linked in the directions document. So you'll fill that in and turn that in. That's task 3. Next, you're going to make a diagram or a model of your aquarium. You can make like a diorama using a shoebox, or you can make a diagram like Miss Twombly did down here. Needs to have color, labels for those specific items. I'll let you guys read those. Here's an example of a betta fish that Miss Twombly did. Make sure you're taking photos just like she did here, uploading those to Google Classroom. If you take photos with your phone and not your Chromebook, you have to download the Google Mail, the Gmail app on your phone, sign into your school Gmail from that app on your phone, then send them to your school email from your school email. So you're sending them to yourself on your phone to your Chromebook, and that's how they can get onto your Chromebook. You can also post them on Google Classroom from your phone if you have the Google Classroom app. So one way or another, you're going to have to use either the Google Mail, Gmail app, or the Google Classroom app to get them from your phone to Google Classroom to upload those. The final task you'll do for this week is to complete a post assessment, like a test. And that's task number 4 in Google Classroom. It's another form asking you questions again now that you've finished your project. Do you have more information to add to those questions? All of these 4 tasks are due in Google Classroom by Friday the 3rd. If you have any questions, I will be holding a class on Tuesday. You'll get a Google Meet invitation for that. I'll be holding a class on Tuesday for first period at 9 a.m., for second period at 10 a.m., and you can certainly ask me more questions then. If you have any technical issues, please let me know. I hope you guys are doing great, and I will see you guys soon, hopefully. We'll see you on Tuesday at the Google Meet. Take care.